Want a quicker and more visual way to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's switch your screen lock from pin to a button in just a few taps. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Now, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics. It will ask for your current screen lock, so enter your PIN. Next, select pattern from the list. Draw your new pattern. Tap Continue. Then draw it again to confirm. And then tap Confirm. To see the result, go to the lock screen. Swipe the screen. Now you can use the pattern to unlock your phone. And that's it. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra is now secure with a pattern lock. It's simple, visual, and fast. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.